In today's video, I will walk you through how to type in a circle in Adobe Photoshop. To make things easier while typing text in a circle, start by creating a set of guides. Go up to View, then Guides, and choose New Guide Layout. Enable both columns and rows, then make sure the value for each is set to 2. Click OK. Next, create the circle that the text will follow. Open the Shape tools in the toolbar. Then click and hold the shape icon and choose the Ellipse tool. Go up to the Fill and Stroke settings and set both of them to transparent using the white box with the red line through it. With the Ellipse tool active, place your cursor at the center intersection of the guides on the canvas. Click and drag outward while holding the Shift key to create a perfect circle. This also keeps the circle centered on the canvas. Once the size looks good, release your mouse. Now press T to select the Type tool. Move your cursor over the edge of the circle path until you see the small squiggly line appear through the cursor. Once you see it, click on the path and start typing your text. You can adjust the font, size, and color the same way you would with any regular text layer. To position the text, switch to the Path Selection tool in the toolbar. With your type layer selected, hover near the beginning of the text, then click and drag. This separates the starting and ending points of the text. The small x represents the starting point, while the circle icon represents the end point. Drag these points along the path to define where the text appears. For this example, place the starting point on the left horizontal guide and the end point on the right horizontal guide. Once those are positioned, select the type layer and go to the Properties panel. Scroll down to the paragraph settings and click the Center Text option. This centers the text perfectly along the top of the circle. To add text along the bottom, repeat the same process. Select the ellipse layer, press T for the Type tool, hover over the path, and click to add another line of text. Type your text, then use the Path Selection tool to drag the text into position. If the text appears upside down, drag it inside the path to flip it. To align the bottom text with the outside edge of the circle, open the Character panel. If it is not visible, go to Window and choose Character. Find the baseline Shift option, then click and drag on its icon to adjust the text position. Continue adjusting until the spacing matches the top text. Once everything is aligned, your circular text effect is complete.